Lemons contain high levels of vitamin C, which is essential for maintaining a healthy immune system. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that can help protect the body from harmful free radicals, as well as support the production of collagen, which is important for healthy skin, hair, and nails. Additionally, vitamin C can help the body absorb iron better, making it easier to get the iron you need from plant-based foods. Lemons contain high levels of fiber and pectin, which can help promote healthy digestion and prevent constipation. Fiber is important for maintaining regular bowel movements, while pectin can help keep you feeling full and satisfied, which can be beneficial for weight management. Lemon juice can also help stimulate the production of bile, which is necessary for breaking down fats in the stomach. Drinking a glass of warm water with lemon juice first thing in the morning can be a great way to start your day and help get your digestive system moving. Additionally, the acidity of lemon juice can help to break down food, making it easier for your body to absorb the nutrients it needs. Lemons are low in calories, but high in pectin fiber, which can help reduce appetite and promote weight loss. As mentioned earlier, pectin can help keep you feeling full and satisfied, which can help to curb cravings and prevent overeating. Additionally, the high levels of vitamin C in lemons can help to boost the metabolism, which can help to burn calories more efficiently. Drinking a glass of warm water with lemon juice before meals can help to reduce overall calorie intake and support weight loss efforts. Lemons are also a great alternative to sugary drinks and can be used to add flavor to water and other beverages. Lemons are high in vitamin C, which can help improve the appearance of the skin by reducing wrinkles, dark spots, and blemishes. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that can help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals and UV rays. Additionally, vitamin C can help to stimulate collagen production, which is important for maintaining the skin's elasticity and firmness. Lemons can also be used as a natural astringent to help cleanse and tone the skin, reducing the appearance of pores and leaving the skin looking bright and refreshed. Applying fresh lemon juice to the skin with a cotton ball can be a great way to improve skin health, but be careful not to overdo it as lemon juice can cause skin sensitivity. Lemons are high in citric acid, which can help prevent the formation of kidney stones. Kidney stones are small, hard deposits of mineral and acid salts that can form in the kidneys. The citric acid found in lemons can help to dissolve these stones and prevent them from forming in the first place. Additionally, lemons are a good source of water-soluble fibers and vitamin C, which can help to flush out toxins and impurities from the kidneys. Drinking a glass of warm water with lemon juice first thing in the morning and throughout the day can help to promote kidney health and prevent the formation of kidney stones. However, if you already have kidney stones or have a history of them, it's best to check with your doctor before incorporating large amounts of lemon juice in your diet. Lemons contain high levels of potassium, which can help control high blood pressure. Potassium is a mineral that acts as a vasodilator, meaning it helps to relax and widen blood vessels, which can help to lower blood pressure. Lemons also contain other beneficial compounds such as flavonoids, which have been shown to have a positive effect on blood pressure levels. Drinking a glass of warm water with lemon juice can help to increase your potassium intake and lower blood pressure. Lemons are also low in sodium, which is beneficial for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. However, it's important to keep in mind that high blood pressure is a serious condition that requires proper management and monitoring, so it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C, which can help prevent tooth decay and gum disease. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that can help to protect the teeth and gums from the damage caused by harmful bacteria and free radicals. Additionally, lemons have an acidic property that can help to neutralize the harmful bacteria that contribute to tooth decay and gum disease. But it's important to note that, while lemons can provide oral health benefits, Consuming them excessively or in their concentrated form can be harmful for your teeth enamel. It's best to consume them in moderation and rinse your mouth after consuming. Drinking a glass of warm water with lemon juice can be a great way to start your day and promote oral health, but it's best to dilute the juice with water and use a straw to reduce the contact with your teeth. Lemons are a good source of iron, which can help prevent anemia. Anemia is a condition in which the body lacks enough healthy red blood cells to carry oxygen to the body's tissues. Iron is a mineral that is necessary for the production of hemoglobin, a protein found in red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout the body. Lemons are also high in vitamin C, which can help the body to absorb iron better. Drinking a glass of warm water with lemon juice can be a great way to increase your iron intake and prevent anemia. However, it's important to note that lemons are not a significant source of iron, and other dietary sources, such as meat, poultry, seafood, and leafy greens, are more efficient in preventing anemia. Lemons contain compounds such as limonoids, which may help lower the risk of cancer, particularly skin cancer. Limonoids have been shown to have anti-cancer properties by inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and inducing apoptosis, programmed cell death, of cancer cells. Lemons are also high in vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that can help to protect the body from the damage caused by free radicals, which are associated with the development of cancer. Additionally, lemons contain flavonoids, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties and can help to reduce the risk of cancer. Lemons can help improve the absorption of non-heme iron, the type of iron found in plant-based foods. Non-heme iron is not as well absorbed as the heme iron found in animal-based foods, but vitamin C can help to enhance its absorption. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C, which can help to improve the absorption of non-heme iron from plant-based foods such as leafy greens, legumes, and fortified cereals. Drinking a glass of warm water with lemon juice before consuming a meal high in non-heme iron can be a great way to increase the iron absorption.